Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. I've missed you. We have so much to talk about. I think we're gonna have a chat in a different video. This video is just gonna be a clean with me and clean with Miss Pepper down here, who you guys will not leave me alone. She's driving me nuts, but yeah, I guess I'll show you guys kind of like what my kitchen, living room, dining room, coffee station area is looking like. It has been a rough week, with cycle day 1 starting and that whole like disappointment for a few days and just the storms, the off and on again weather. Like it's just been blah this week. And I haven't done anything. So today we're gonna get this house cleaned up. And then we're gonna head out and do some last minute like Mother's Day shopping because that's tomorrow and I've done absolutely nothing. So yeah, let me just kind of show you what we're working with. Then I'll get these lights turned on and we'll get started. And obviously, excuse my appearance. As always, I'm in my PJs just kind of hanging out. But let's check out this kitchen. All right. So let's see what we got here. We've got the week's worth of like food stuff, the usual. We've got this rice maker, the freaking air fryer. We've got the crock pot. Like all of this stuff needs to get put away. I need to empty the dishwasher. You guys, every day. So I'm trying to keep Pepper off my rug. Look at this. This is what my table has to look like every day because she drives me nuts and she will not stop laying. Even when I do this, she still like finds little spots like in the back over there and on the sides. But I'm trying to keep her off my rug and she just doesn't listen. Same with in here. I block this little gap here with the table when we leave for work just so she doesn't go like in there. Ugh, she's annoying. But as you can see, we kind of have made a mess. Like all through here. Decoration wise, like this sofa is here because I wanted to see what it would look like in this room. It has lived in my husband's man cave. But once I put it out here, I was too lazy to kind of put it back because I definitely don't like it. I just want to get like a gray sectional that kind of comes out here. But with like COVID and everything, like I'm just trying not to spend money until everything's over and I feel like more secure with life. But and then over here, I just need to kind of clean up the top here and put this in the little cream jar that's actually being washed. And this is Miss Pepper just crying and following me around. Hi, mommy. What? Oh my God, I don't even know. I'm so hungry. Let's eat and then let's clean. How about that?
Okay guys, so let's just start by addressing the elephant in the room. These white trunks that I've got here. Do not mind my white legs. I will take care of those, okay?
So while that does its thing, it's probably a terrible angle, whatever. I'm gonna make some toast. Right now, because I'm doing Weight Watchers, and guys, I am failing at Weight Watchers. I do have that Sara Lee 45 calorie bread. I really like it. It's only 1 point per slice. I've been eating this when I do eat bread. I don't really eat a lot of sandwiches and stuff. I'm not a big lunchy type person, so I eat like 1 slice with breakfast and that's pretty much it. But yeah, it's been pretty good. I would recommend it for sure if you're looking for something with like less calories or less carbs or whatever. I would highly recommend this Sara Lee bread. Breakfast is served. Okay, so I'm just gonna sit and eat this sandwich real quick, and then again, we're just gonna clean this house up, and yeah, hopefully I'll give you guys some motivation for this week. I think in a lot of states, you guys are gonna be out and about, or I shouldn't say you guys, I guess we could be, out and about as of next week. So hopefully this will give you some Monday motivation. You guys can just be on the move. I personally am not going anywhere. Like, I have to go out today just because I completely forgot about Mother's Day. And well, I didn't forget. I was like, I had a plan and then I forgot about my plan. And now it's too late for it. So now actually I have to go out into the stores. But I have my mask, I have my gloves, since I'm going to have to like touch things. 'Cause nothing I want to get is like eligible at Target for like the 2 hour pickup or whatever. So I have to go grab it myself. But we'll see how that goes. So yeah, I'm just going to eat, clean, and then do a little Target run. So this will be my first Target run, you guys, in like ever. I've gone to Walmart but strictly for groceries, and I knew exactly what I want. And because I go there all the time, like I know exactly where everything is. And I never go to Target, so this should be interesting because I'm gonna have to actually like roam the aisles, which I really have not been about that life. So hopefully I can get in and out because I do not want to be there all day. You know what I'm saying? All right, Audio Jungle.
I guess I also should address my whole ensemble I've got going here. These are my PJs. I have to sleep in fuzzy socks. I feel like I've said that before. And these are my 49er fuzzy socks. And they keep me nice and toasty because my husband keeps the house super cold. But that's all I'm going to say about what I've got going on here. The first thing I like to do usually when I clean up is empty the dishwasher first. That way I can wash any dishes or put dishes in the dishwasher that I don't feel like washing, and then move on to everything else. You know, we actually cooked a lot of food this week, and since I was in kind of a crappy mood, I literally would just like cook and eat and go sit down somewhere, which is terrible, especially since I'm trying to lose weight, and I just felt a little bit defeated this week, and so it was just another off week for us. So we have so many dishes, and I literally just left everything out, and my husband helps out, but obviously not enough because he was not picking up the slack this week. I think we both were just like not having it. But as you can see, we didn't miss no meals. But yeah, we definitely did not clean up after ourselves.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
I think I mentioned this dish stand previously in a haul video or something, but I got it at Dirt Cheap. And I want to say it was like less than 10 bucks, and I really like it, guys. It hasn't like fallen apart. Like, I've only dropped a few things off of it actually, but I really, really like it, and it goes really well with the kitchen. So I highly recommend these. If you don't want those like chunky, like plastic looking ones, this bamboo one is really nice.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
as usual, I'm gonna wipe down all of my counters first with Lysol wipes. I usually like to do this just to disinfect my counters, and then I go back through with like a counter cleaner.
Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.
So now I'm just going to spray down my counters. I am using a counter cleaner called Caldrea. It's in the scent Pear Blossom. I believe I got this a long time ago on Grove Collaborative for my first order. I want to say I got this in the box that I use, and I haven't used them since. I guess I should. I really enjoyed their products. I just never ordered it again because I took advantage of the discount and then just canceled my subscription or whatever. But whatever. And I don't know if this is a good idea. I use those Lysol wipes on my refrigerator as well because again, I just want to disinfect everything. And then after that, I go in with a little trick my grandpa gave me, was to wipe down all stainless steel and chrome with WD-40. So I do that with a soft cloth, and I wipe down my refrigerator. I wipe down my faucets. I've already wiped down the top of the stove to make it kind of shine. So I do that, and all of my silver stuff just kind of blings. Now I'm just going to use this like old school Hoover dust buster that my grandma gave me. I like to use this because my table has little grooves in it, and I'm able to get all the crumbs out at once. And then I'm just going to wipe the table down with this Pledge. I want to say it's floor cleaner. I don't even know if I can use it on anything, but this is real wood table, so I've been using this since I'm out of my Pledge in the spray bottle. Well, that's it with the kitchen and dining room area. Isn't she pretty, guys? Oh, I just love when my house is clean. I'm not going to really do too much in here. I just wanted to straighten up So I am going to fluff the pillows and just get all of this crap off the table.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
And after some light dusting of the entertainment center and the bookshelf, we are done and the house just feels amazing.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Okay, guys, well, that is it for today. I feel so much better and my house smells so good. Like, it's such a relief. And you guys saw my hiding place, so I will probably try and tackle this cabinet tomorrow, as well as sweep and vacuum the floors, because I just do not feel like doing that today. But I am going to get myself ready. I'm going to go to Target, face this world, and yeah, get ready for Mother's Day. So I hope, this was a lot of Monday motivation for you guys. This will probably go up on Monday, so hopefully you guys will be ready for it and ready to clean, because I do just feel so much better. But thank you for stopping by, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.